record. He can't record me. He can't record me. No. The people banging me. They're banging me. They're banging me. Please leave me alone. 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 Get off of me. Get the f off me. Get the f off me. Get off me. I'm not resisting mess. I'm not resisting mess. I'm not resisting. Please. It hurts so bad. Please, it hurts. Please, it hurts. They won't stop. Please, leave me alone. Please, I haven't done anything. Please, leave me alone. Please don't. Please, leave me alone. I didn't try to chat that for me. Please, leave me alone. It hurts. No, please stop, leave me alone. I gotta see that can't see this. Please leave me alone. Please leave me alone. I need water. Please. Why are you doing this? Don't arrest me. No, you're not.
You're not under arrest. You're just being detained right now.
No. Don't. I can't. Can I have water? I'm so thirsty. Please leave me alone. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Please leave me alone. Leave me alone. It hurts. Please stop touching me. Stop touching me.
Gotta make sure you don't have anything on you.
It hurts so bad. I'm a guy. Stop.
Can you open it?
Stop it. It's so bad. Please stop. Don't touch me.
All right, Mr. Reader, have a seat here, okay? I'll roll down the window for you.
Please stop. Please, I haven't done anything. Why are you doing this to me? I helped you. You never help me.
I'm trying to help you right now.
Don't touch me.
Please,
I need water. You please don't mess with me. I haven't done anything, man.
There you go, sir.
Please, man. I need to get water. I only wanted to go to water and they started banging me. They were really messing me. I'm not Rick. I don't want to.
You got his bag.
I don't terminology. I haven't done anything. Please, I swear to God, I'm a Christian. Argument.
Yeah, go. Yes, please.
Please, I haven't done anything. Please leave me alone. Please, let me go. I have to go back. It's so bad. I'm going to go back. I would never do that.
We got 2 that are going to be going to French.
They're taking this guy to the hospital. This was a call about a 4:15. This guy was sitting outside of CVS yelling at people that walked by. I guess there were numerous phone calls, and they tracked him all the way from CVS, which is about 3 blocks away, to Costco, where we're at now. And they said they were just checking on him, but a couple minutes into the check, they arrested him, which is kind of understandable. I don't know. The bike cop over here drove by on his little loudspeaker and said my name, Gabriel Rojas. Trying to be funny. Dang. So yeah, that was a 4:15, guys. 4:15. Guy was yelling outside of a CVS. They came to check on him. I'm using air quotes. Check on him. They didn't have a want to arrest him. They just wanted to check on him, is what they said. And then they arrested him. But I think they're going to French Hospital, they said. So that's what's going on, guys. I'm gonna cut it again. I'm out here watching. I'll see you guys soon. Later.